Hi, I am Ajith Kumar K. I completed my engineering in the stream of CSE at ROM Engineering College. After graduation, I joined Nucot for data science using Python course. Uh, it's a 60 days course. There I learned about data science and Python. Actually, course trainer is Anthony sir. He teached very well about data science and Python. After that, I got placed in Modern Tech Labs by Nucot itself uh, through Nucot Institute. In the Nucot, all faculty members are cooperated well and helped to get this job. And Nancy ma'am Nancy ma'am and other faculty members are helped to get this good job. And I enjoyed well and learned in that data science course. It's a very good opportunity. Thank you.